Good morning, sir. Today we are going to discuss about Unique Identification Authority of India. Unique Identification of Authority of India was started by the Government of India in 2009 by the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, and he identified a 12-digit number to every citizens of India, and is a national identity code for the nation. Because from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Aadhaar card is same for everyone, but voter ID and other proofs such as license are varying from state to state. That Aadhaar card is a permanent identity proof, and Aadhaar card is now linked with the bank accounts also, and we can get the subsidies of the government by through paying directly into bank account. For example, the Ujjwala Yojana, the LPG gas cylinder subsidy is also paid by the government of India directly into the beneficiaries account. But it taken is but it taken in it is not taken digitally. It is taken by the respective state governments. Now state government means it will be the money will be looted, and the beneficiaries will get only very less amount instead the amount was provided by the government of India. This helps me tracing the black money and fake currency also. And Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, the farmers are getting 6,000 in 3 installments directly into the bank accounts, by any brokers in the middle. So the beneficiaries they take getting the full amounts. This is why so Aadhaar is very helpful in this manner, and Aadhaar card is also very useful useful for stopping the illegal migrants from Bangladesh are moving into Bengals and Assams. Assam and Bengal have the major problem that the illegal migrants are entering into India, and by settling them, we have less jobs, and they are looting our natural resources, jobs and money. So we can identify the illegal migrants by having an Aadhaar card. Without an Aadhaar card, they cannot be identified, because it is very tough job for identified. So Aadhaar card is very helpful. In northeastern states also like Manipur, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, the illegal migrants from Myanmar are entering into India. Though those the infiltrators can be stopped by using the Aadhaar card. Therefore, the government of India is taking steps towards the illegal migrants for National Register of Citizens. Recently, the National Register of Citizens was done successfully in Assam, and it was moving towards the entire India. It is necessary for the government of India to infiltrate the illegal migrants, and the people get the subsidies directly into the bank accounts. If anyone not paying the income tax properly, we can trace by Aadhaar card, because the Aadhaar card was linked to bank accounts and the bank balance and the income of the employee, and how much he was saved. If the saved money was more than the income, he can trace by the income tax department. By tax by not paying the income tax properly. Many billionaires and millionaires in India are not paying the tax. They are looting the our public money, but not paying the income tax. So who are not paying income tax can be traced easily using Aadhaar card. This way, Aadhaar card was very helpful. And we have to apply for voter ID. For first identity proof, we must have Aadhaar card, and Aadhaar card is eligible for the person from starting from the age of three to at any age we can apply for Aadhaar card. But in the case of voter ID and PAN card, we have to be completed at least 18. But in the case of Aadhaar card, there is no such regulations. And coming to the disadvantage, the Unique Identification Authority of India was made by the private companies in India and also other foreign companies. So our data are saved by these companies, a phone number, address of the each of the peoples of citizens of India are storing in a private company or a foreign company. So data can be hacked by any country such as America and China and other enemy countries like Pakistan, and they can make any attacks on India. So it is unsafe also. Anyway, the government of India has taken prompt measures and corrective guidelines. This not to be happened. Thank you, sir.